Hey, it's Connor from John the Plumber here. We're just here in Nepean. There's been a couple of storms as we see, rainstorms, everything like that. We're getting the snow now though. We got a couple sump pumps that are going in Nepean. You're gonna see real quick with the video. We got one on the right side of the house, one on the left side connecting in the middle. The water that's coming up and coming through the foundational floor is coming through and it's seeping in with hydraulic pressure. So what it's planned to do is get that water out, away, and not come up into their home anymore. We'll see you soon.
After discussing the plan, the team gets to work setting up protective layers for your home, like dust barriers and floor coverings, to keep your home and belongings clean and safe during the process. From there, we start chipping up the cement flooring where the water is seeping in. This is for a trench where the weeping pipe will lay, gathering the water. The sump pumps will detect water levels in the sump pit and kick on when the levels get too high. It will expel the water away from the home. The backup pump is connected to a battery. This allows the pump to always stay on during storms or power outages. For this job, we are installing 2 sump pumps, both with backup pumps and battery backups, as well as a weeping tile system that connects them both. After both pumps are installed, our team attaches and installs the discharge line. This will carry the water from the sump pumps out away from the home safely. Between both sump pumps is a perforated weeping pipe. It will gather the water that is seeping in under the cement through the T-connections and bring it to either sump pump. Once the weeping pipe is level, we backfill the trench. Then, we head outside to dig a trench for the discharge line in order to bring the water a good distance away from the home's foundation. While these guys dig, one of our team members is inside cementing over where the trench line and sump pits were dug. Then, we head back outside to start installing the discharge pipeline in the newly dug trench. We get everything sealed, connected, and then backfill the outdoor portion. Once the job is done, we clean up. We don't want to leave you with any mess, so our team will be sure to clean up to their full capabilities after the job is done, so you're left with nothing but working water. If your home is built below the water table, or you reside in an area with heavy rainfall or snowfall, then pick up the phone and call John the Plumber today. Don't wait for your basement to flood. Call us at 613-227-7465 or save $20 by booking online at www.johntheplumber.ca.